Hello, cutie pie.
Very good.
Nope.
Now you're jumping, fluffy, just like I like.
Hey, what happened?
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Huh?
Pew, 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 pew. Better another. Jay, is that you? What happened?
Uh-oh.
You're a great team. I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. Why did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? We're not friends anymore? Hey! Oh, pretty please! No, I know it's you.
I got an idea.
No way. You and I are not friends anymore. Oh, yeah!
Okay.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer.
Okay, let's go!
Yeah!
Hooray!
Question mark?
Oh, man.
Bror, niemand point.
Bye.
Here we go.
Yeah! I like that.
He's here. Come on. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Wow, congratulations.
Oh, hello, jumping. Now you're jumping, fluffy, just like I like. Hey, what happened?
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yahoo! Huh?
Uh-oh.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Question mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Nicer.
Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team. Oh, yeah!
Right.
Hey, it's me, Goku!
Okay.
Nicer.
What a beautiful chunk. Come here. I have a
Very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa, amazing! Come on!
Bye.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 due south.
Come on, man. Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand point! Aha! Oh yeah!
Let's go.
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show! Wow! Congratulations! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! 料理は愛情おいしく料理 Hello! Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning, good morning to you. Oh no!
Thank you. Come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Okay. Oh yes!
Go, go, go!
I'm going to camp some kids today. I'm looking for the chump chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye. Okay.
Amazing!
Here I go! I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show! Here I
Whoa! Amazing!
My God, are you still talking?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no! Hey! Good morning, we talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Wow!
Sunshine, good morning. Okay.
Go, go, go!
料理は愛情おいしく料理してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ Oh yes! Bye bye!
Okay.
Good job! Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
I'm going to camp some kids today. I'm looking for the chump chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice.
Bye. Okay.
Good job! Amazing!
Let's go, let's go, let's go! I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card yet?
Bye, have a great time.
Hello.
Aha!
I am ready to put on a show.
Hooray! Hooray!
Here I go.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
I am ready to put on a show.
Bruh.
Hello.
Come on! Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go!
Yes.
Easy!
Nice, nice.
Oh.
Whoa!
Sugoi.
Going to kill some kids today. Looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho-ho!
Here I go!
Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Woohoo!
Evacuate the building, let's go! Bye, have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yahoo!
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Very good. Open up and say perfect landing. Oh, hello, jumpboard. Now you're jumping, Fluffy, just like I like it.
Hooray! Question mark? Roar, niemand boeit!
Right. Let's go, girls. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Okay, okay. Come on, man.
Roar, niemand boeit!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eisen, Eisen! like that.
You little rat!
Bye.
Hooray! Question mark? Aha! Pew, 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 pew!
Nice, nice.
Okay, let's go!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift. Where's your mother? Would you like to try some of my delicious ice cream?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Let's go, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show!
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much? Or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo!
Here I go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey!
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you very much!
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Ta-da!
Here we go!
Goodbye.
Oh, hello!
Whoa! Amazing! Roar, niemand boeit!
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. You're a great team.
Okay.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Nice, nice!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? We're not friends anymore? Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her. You're a great team.
Uh-oh, come on!
I got an idea!
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
I like that.
Ta-da!
Let's go, let's go! Goody, he's here.
Okay, let's go!
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're
Bye.
Here I go! Come on, step it up!
Sayonara.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Oh, hello, chubby boy. Now you're chubby and bubby just like I like. Open up and say, perfect landing.
Uh-oh.
You're a great team.
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
I got an idea!
Oh, hello!
Hooray! Question mark? Okay, let's go! Bror, niemand boeit!
Yeah, okay.
Come on, man. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eise, Eise!
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Thanks, Pally.
Very good.
Okay. Aha!
Wow! Congratulations!
Alright, yeah! Very good.
Come on, step it up!
Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Bye.
Here we go!
Yeah!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have
Bye, have a great time!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hooray! Question mark?
Eise, Eise!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Oh, hello, chubby boy. Now you're chubbed and clubby just like I
Bror, niemand boeit. Come on.
You're a great team. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Let's go! Let's go! Hey!
Okay.
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Beautiful, Katie.
Oh, yeah! Whoa, amazing!
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream. Oh, what a beautiful child.
Uh-oh.
I got an idea!
Very good.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eise, Eise!
Here we go! Yahoo! yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh, goody, he's here.
Bye. Come on, man.
Okay.
Come on, step it up. Yahoo! Yeah!
Open up and say
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Here I go! Woohoo! Whee!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
I got an idea.
Here we go.
Thanks, Pally.
Come on.
Okay.
Here I go.
Here we go. Bye, have a great time.